Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the game and tools so nothing breaks. Back up your Xenoverse 2 folder and saves, then install XV2 Packer/Unpacker. Once done, open the Pack 01 Dire archive and extract the audio or voice folders into a working directory. Make sure to note original file names and paths. Maintaining the exact structure matters when you repack. This immediate extraction step lets you work on copies, avoiding corruption of the original install, while giving you direct access to the voice assets to replace or edit. Next, convert and edit the audio so the game accepts it. You will record or prepare new WAVs, then convert them to WYs. WEM format using WYs or a reliable converter. This preserves codec compatibility. Make sure sample rate and channel layout match the originals, for example 48 kHz stereo, because mismatches can crash audio loading. Once converted, rename each new WEM to the original file names and keep folder structure identical. This step ensures the game will reference your new voice. Finally, repack your modified audio folders back into the pack using XV2 Packer/Unpacker, overwrite the game's Pack 01 Dire, or add a mod pack if you prefer a safer method, and launch Xenoverse 2 to test the new voice. You should hear replaced lines during relevant scenes. If not, make sure you repack the correct archive and used exact file names. Troubleshooting tip: if audio fails or is distorted, immediately restore your backup. Then verify file format, sample rate, and folder structure. Those are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.